A.
A is for ant. An antelope. An alligator. An anteater.
B.
B is for baboon. And buffalo. And bee. And bear.
C.
C is for cat. And camel. And cow. And caterpillar.
D.
D is for dragonfly. And dog. And donkey. And duck.
E.
E is for elephant. And eagle. And elk. And eel.
F.
Is for fox. And flies. And fish. And frog.
G.
E is for gorilla. And giraffe. And goose. And goat.
H.
H is for hippo. And horse. And hen. And hamster.
I.
I is for impala. And ibis bird. And iguana. And indri.
J.
J is for jackal. And jellyfish. And jaguar. And gerbil.
K.
K is for koala. And king cobra. And kangaroo.
L.
L is for lemur. And ladybug. And lion. And lizard.
M.
M is for mouse. And monkey. And meerkat. And mole.
N.
N is for Nadia. And newt. And nightingale. And numbat.
O.
O is for owl. And octopus. And ostrich. And opossum.
P.
P is for porcupine. And panda. And peacock. And penguin.
Q.
Q is for quail bird. And quail. And quetzal bird. And quokka.
R.
R is for rabbit. And rhinoceros. And raccoon. And rooster.
S.
S is for snail. And squirrel. And sheep. And snake.
T.
T is for toucan. And tapir. And tiger. And turtle.
U.
U is for wakari. And uriel. And unicorn. And umbrella bird.
V.
V is for vulture. And vampire bat. And vikua. And vervet monkey.
W.
W is for walrus. And wasp. And wolf. And warthog.
X.
X is for X-ray fish. And xerus. And xiphias fish. And xanthus bird.
Y.
Y is for Orion. And yak. And yellowfin tuna. And yeti.
Z.
Z is for zebra. And zedu. And zonkey. And zorilla.